Hiccups are sudden, involuntary contractions of the diaphragm muscle, which is followed by the closing of the vocal cords, producing the hic sound. But why do they happen? There are several triggers, like eating too quickly, consuming carbonated drinks, or experiencing sudden excitement or stress. Essentially, anything that irritates the diaphragm can cause hiccups. The diaphragm is a muscle that helps with breathing. When it spasms, you take in air suddenly and your vocal cords close, resulting in a hiccup. While hiccups are usually harmless and go away on their own, they can be annoying. Some quick remedies include holding your breath, drinking a glass of water quickly, or eating a spoonful of sugar. These methods work by disrupting the nerve signals causing the hiccups. If hiccups persist for more than 48 hours, it's best to see a doctor as it might indicate an underlying health issue. So, next time you get hiccups, you'll know what's happening inside your body and how to possibly stop them.